how to transfer WhatsApp business to a new phone. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can transfer WhatsApp business to a new phone. So how do you go about this? To transfer your WhatsApp business account to a new phone, the first step is to log in into your old phone. First of all, log in into WhatsApp business on your old phone. Move to the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. Ensure you're on the chat page, okay? Ensure that you're on the chat page. Then move to the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. In the drop down menu that appears, ensure you click on settings. So on the settings page, you have some options like business tools, accounts, privacy, avatar, favorite, chats, etc. So click on chat. Then on the chat page, you can see chat backup. Alright, just above chat history at the bottom part of the screen. So by clicking on chat backup, you can see the option for you to back up your chat. So ensure that you back up your chat, click on the option backup, and then you'll be required to spend some amount of data. Ensure you do that. So ensure you back up your data to your Google Drive, okay, to your Google Drive on your phone. If you are using an Android, but for iPhone, ensure you back it to your iCloud. So after backing up your messages or your chats, the next step would be for you to go to your new phone. All right, on your new phone, download and install the WhatsApp business app from your app store. Then open WhatsApp business on the new phone. Verify your business number. Ensure that the business number that you are verifying is the same one you used to open your account on your old phone. All right. So after verifying, during the setup process, you will be prompted to restore your chat history from Google Drive or iCloud. Follow the prompts, complete the restoration, but you have to allow some time. All right, give you some time for all your media files to be restored, and then once the process is complete, your chat and media would be available on your new phone as if you never changed your phone. So it is that simple. Everything has made easy. So just go ahead, back up your chat and follow the procedures that I've mentioned, and you're good to go. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and then like this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.